Welcome to Breakheart Orchard. 2 days ago we had 3 inches of snow up here. Most of it's melted away, but some of it fell on the build site, and any place that has any shade, it has turned to ice. Weather today's a little funky. It was 17 degrees when we got up this morning. It's up in the mid 30s now. Should hit about 40, 41 today. I welcome the rise in temperature because it's a little chilly, especially when the breeze kicks in. What we're doing right now is mostly just clearing away any place where we've got some ice and snow that we're going to be working. Don't want to have anybody slip and fall. It's already the afternoon because I needed to wait till it warmed up here, and I had other things around the farm that I could take care of in the morning. Had some repairs I needed to make on some equipment. Now it's time to get to work and see if I can't put in a couple more panels on the side of this wall over here. Well, it's almost 6 o'clock. I think we found the limit of what I can lift up. That's only a 3-foot header, but it was heavy. It was getting a little stupid looking there, but we got it up there. After that, we're going to bring the excavator around to bring the rest of them up. But we got 3 panels in tonight, so I can't complain about that. It is cold. I don't know how cold it's going to get tonight, but it's not supposed to rain. It's not supposed to snow. So tomorrow I will be back out here by myself. I will be putting in splines and windows and doing other things. I'll be cutting. I've got 3 more headers for the front that need cutting. I'll go ahead and do that since that's very time consuming. Just a little busy work like that just to get it ready so that the next time I have somebody out here to help me, I will be able to get some things done. This coming Saturday is supposed to be rain, so I'll be doing other things on the farm. I might burn. I don't know what I'll do. I'll do something else. But I won't be up here slogging around in the mud trying to build in the rain. If you learned anything, if you enjoyed it, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Join us. Follow along and leave some comments if you've got some ideas and some better ways that I can do things, because I have received information from people along the way that has helped me quite a bit. Come on back and check us out again. We'll see you guys next time at Breakheart Orchard. If you learned anything, I can't even speak. My mouth is all... Try this again. My mouth is going to sleep from the cold, I think.